Let me ask you a question. Do you want to start working with sponsors or partners or even collaborations or start doing affiliate sales, but you have no idea what your Twitch channel value is worth or what you're worth on your live streaming platform? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you a cool tip in this Twitch quick tip on how to use socialbluebook.com to figure it out. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you from my Twitch quick tips. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the products or the services that I'm talking about, did you all a favor, put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. All right, let's dive right into it. So socialbluebook.com is a platform that associates values to different social media platforms out there, and they just released your Twitch channel value in a new update that they did. And luckily for me, I was in on the beta and I want to show you what they just released. So make sure you first log on to socialbluebook.com and create an account so that way you can sign up for the service. Once you have created an account on Social Bluebook, you're allowed to add one free social platform, which I recommend adding the Twitch one. If you want to add more, you have to sign up with their pro version. Again, I'll put links in the show notes below if you're interested in that. To add your Twitch platform, go to the lower right-hand corner and click on the plus symbol. When the icons populate, you will see that there is a brand new Twitch icon. Go ahead and click on that, and there it will ask you to authenticate your account so that way it can grant access to it. Once it has a moment to authenticate, it's going to ask for some additional information that you need to put in, so this way Bluebook can actually churn a nice value for you, so that way you can see what numbers it's actually taken into consideration to generate a value or monetized value for your channel. So if you're not sure where to find this information, it is mostly under your channel analytics and stream reports. So just go to your creative dashboard and go over to the left and you'll see all those analytics there that I'll put up on screen. If it's asking for ones that you do not see with the default window, that's okay. At the very top, if you click down on the accordion window there, it'll show you more options that you can click on. The better information you can give Social Bluebook, the better their numbers will be for what your true value is. When you have all the information in there, just click and save and it will generate what your values are. Now, Social Bluebook's values work off of ranges there from low to high, and they come in a few different categories. For Twitch streamers, it'll show you a dedicated stream value per hour, it'll show you a sponsored mention per hour, and it'll also show you a banner ad or product placement per hour in there. And use these to the best of your ability. Obviously, people are going to have different ranges, and depending on if you're growing or if you're shrinking or if you're converting to a different category, these numbers will fluctuate over time. And if you ever feel like their value of what they're showing is correct and you've done some changes to your stream, give it a little bit to churn some information, give it a week or a month, and then at the very top you can go to refresh platform and there it'll generate new numbers for you. You can also always go back and adjust the numbers in case you have an explosive growth within a few weeks or a few months, or even if you shrink down. You want to make sure your numbers are valid so that way when you reach out to sponsors or affiliates or partners or people you want to collab with, you actually can give a correct value, because trust me, that's very important. Now, I've been using Social Bluebook for a really long time. In fact, I actually use it for my Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube channels, and I love the service and it's awesome. They included one for streamers now on Twitch's platform. So I just wanted to share this with you. If you wanted to learn more about Social Bluebook, or you want to know how to make proposals or reach out to actual affiliates, partners, sponsors, anything like that, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below and I will show you best ways to use Social Bluebook to your advantage, so that way you can start crushing it and even start generating some money from your content creations. If anyone out there is interested in working with sponsors or partnerships or collaborations, companies and people love to see accelerated growth. So I'm going to put a video up here on the screen that's going to help you with 5 awesome tips to get you that accelerated growth, so that way you can stand out. I will see you all next time in my next Twitch quick tip video. It's really hard to say. Catch you all later and peace!